Tangina, yun lang. Nakalimutan ko na naman. Environment graphics. Hi. Green apply. Okay, everyone on justice mode. Make sure you're on your PvP decks, boys. PvP decks, please. Okay.
Sa championship ko na ilalabas ng tunay kong CP ah.
Okay, let's have fun, guys.
Paano lang yan? Pampakuldaw lang sa'yo. Shadow ay seryoso. Nakalaro lang tayo.
Don't forget to record your VODs, ha? Record your VODs. Everyone, enter. Okay, do not move, boys. Everyone mount up. Do not move. Ready to boost soon. We're moving soon. Okay, I'm gonna give you 3 seconds and then we move. Everyone mount up, boys. Everyone mount up. Do not move. Everyone mount up. And then we're going towards 1, okay? Okay, everyone boost. We're going towards 1. Let's go, boys. Do not autopath, boys. My flex, just play with me. It's okay. May naka-double com sa flex.
Yes,
Everyone
boss.
move. Okay, everyone move towards tower 1 and start DPSing. Let me know kung may ano dyan. Magkakap lang ako. Oh, gago, may nagkap na.
Sige.
Gago, paano siya umabot dun? Tang-ina, hacker yan, pre. May hacker yung Kaylum. Gago,
Mabili.
paano siya umabot dun? Tang-ina. Okay, just play on 1. Capping lang ako.
Uy, nag-TT oh. Wipe them boys.
Tangina, wala akong mata. Pwede bang umikot yung flex ko? Flex ko, ikot lang. Huwag kayong mag-engage. Hanapin nyo lang asan sila. Sa loob lahat. Flex, start rotating ha. Nasa tower 3 ata sila.
Nasa 3 sila, Jet.
Okay. Listen to me, everyone come. Follow. Meet up tayo sa Tower 7, boys. Tower 7, boys. Okay. Okay, is this everyone? I'm still waiting, ah. Guys, I didn't say na-atake tayo. Come, follow. Everyone follow. Follow me, boys. Follow. Okay. Follow me. It's okay. 62. Follow. It's okay. Yeah. We're at tower 3. Lilipad tayo sa loob, ah. Ready? Now. Lipat sa loob. Ready? We're engaging here. Ready in 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. Wipe them. Wipe everyone here. And follow me. Kay towards here. Kay towards sa akin. We're wiping them, Lily. Follow me. Follow. Off PvP now. Follow me. Follow, boys. Look at me, boys. Lilipad tayo palabas. That's fine. Ready. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. Lilipad tayo palabas. Patayin nga tong inana. Pakilong inana, boys. Okay. 10 seconds. Wait, silip tayo actually. Silip. Take their wipe. No. Follow. Follow. Lipad tayo palabas sa ready 3 2 1 now. Ready, engage here. Ready? Wait. Hindi ano lang to, manibis lang to. Just kill everyone here. Follow me. Fall back. Ready to mount up, okay? Ready to mount up. Mount up now. Mount up. Ready. Follow. We're cutting towards the right side. Okay, wrap around tayo. Ready again. Tangina, blind kasi ako. Wala akong scout. Ready, engage here. Ready on me. In 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. Bigok. Wipe the mirror, boys.
Brave,
And fall back the way we came, fall back the way we came. Follow me now. Ay, easy die lahat, easy die. Hindi malakas yan, easy die lahat. Ano tong chicken, putang ina mo, banga! Bulok, fall back now. Fall back, pagkamatay niyan, fall back agad. Fall back agad, boys. Follow me. You're cutting towards the wrong side, boys. Follow. Ready to mount up again. Follow. Pwede ba akong magka-isang scout lang sa turret? Ang hirap po lang scout, boy. Hindi ko kaya. Sino pwede volunteer? Ray, pwede bang ikaw na lang? Ayaw, yun. Sige, flex na lang.
Flex na lang.
Oo, flex na lang. Focus ka sa ano, Ray.
Times 48 pa.
48. May kumpulan dyan.
Teka, pinapatay ako ng Imperium.
Sige. Follow. Easy day ulit. Mauli nyo? Okay. Tangina mo, respawn ka ulit, boy. Spawn cap muna tayo dito. Spawn cap muna. Sa spawn tayo. Ayun na. Okay, ready to mount up, everyone. King Fearless, nandyan. Outlat. Buhay tayo. Keep kiting, it's okay. Keep kiting. Walang napatay, pre. Chocolate, putang ina, ano yan? Gastos ka ng milyon, ganyan damage mo, sorry. Tara, mount up. Mount up, follow me.
Ang damage.
Yun.
Di naka one hit.
Follow.
Ipatay si Emville.
32.
Pick up. Take the other side tayo dito.
Nandito Zerg nila.
Sige. Copy. Lily. Position now to tower 3. They're about to take it down. It's 32, Lily. Follow me. Lily, you're here, right? It's 20 plus. It's 22, Lily. We need to steal it now. Are you ready in tower 3? We're gonna go in if you're ready. Follow. Balik. Nagtipi sa power. Copy. Follow. 18. 17. It's okay. Nakaklik ako sa tower.
16.
15. Sige. Ready lang ready. Everyone follow. Lily, are you coming to tower 3, Lily? 14. It's 14 bars, Lily. Wait here, boys. It's okay. Ready to fight agad tayo, 13. Okay, ready, follow me now. Follow. Wait. It's too soon. It's fine. Kailangan ko makita yung main zerg muna natin.
Nag one hit mech na.
Okay, everyone follow. 12, 11. That's fine. Just patience. It's okay. Ito na ba yung force natin? Or zerg nila to? 10, 9. Okay, stick on me now. 9, 8. Ready, jump in now. Towards the choke, boys. They're all clumped. Ready in 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. They're all clumped, boys. Kill them here. Kill everyone here, boys. Kill everyone here. Just keep killing everyone. Boys. And then once you're done, just kill the tower. Kill the tower fast. I Tami last, and then we kill the tower, okay? Kill the tower fast, boys. We're positioned in. Okay. Everyone DPS the tower, boys. Tayo main DPS na to. Everyone DPS. Okay, fall back. Everyone fall back. Inside. Everyone inside. It's okay. Everyone inside. Okay, just kill the reds that are flying here, ha? Patayin natin lahat ng reds. Keep following me. Wag masyadong lalayo sa akin, ha? Just keep playing here. Kill all the reds that's flying here. Okay. Everyone, ready to fly out. On me. On the right side. Look. Now. No. It's okay. Ready. We're flanking soon na. Quick engage. Ready. On me. In 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. Just wipe the mirror. Fall back again. Fall back. Yup. 4 bar. We're here, we're here, we're here. It's okay. We're here, we're here. Demigod tayo lahat. Demigod. Everyone, demigod. Demigod lahat. Demigod ha. Okay, wag bibitawan, wag bibitawan. Everyone demigod. Go, 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 go.
Stopping brave ah.
Okay, dropping. Walang kuya-kuya sa atin, boys. Okay. Keep killing demigod. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, pag-drop, follow me. Look at me. We're gonna fly in soon, okay? Ready. Out of combat, boys. Out of combat. Ready, we're flying in soon. In 3, 2, wait. May mga nag-ano sa atin. May mga patayin itong mga reds dito. It's okay, we have time. Okay, everyone, fly now, boys. Fly now, it's okay. It's okay. Fly now. And DPS, hold. Sige, hold lang. Nawa-wipe natin. Hindi ako makapasok. Nawa-wipe natin.
Hindi sa autodip, may ko ka. Gusto mo niyo to, babe, badlong ako.
Defensives ah.
Nawa-wipe natin, guys. Hello? Ayan na, nakapasok na ako. Okay, just hold there. Follow me. Look at me. Follow me, boys. On the left side. Kahit towards the left side. Follow me, boys. Kahit towards the left side. Tara. Dito. Wipe. Ano na natin? Ubusan natin dito. Ubus na. Keep pushing forward. Defensive and frenzy here. Defensive frenzy. On me. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Go engage. Unlimited ako dito. Engage, boys. Engage. Sige. Yeah. We're here, Lily. We're here. Keep pushing forward. Sa likod nila. Come. Okay, just kill here.
Heal, we need heal.
Lily, just tell Big Bro to keep DPSing. Keep killing people. Do not cap. Okay, keep killing here. Hold here and we just kill here, okay? Okay, lahat na lilipat dito. We just keep killing here, boys. You're doing a good job. Okay pa tayo? Hindi pa tayo wipe, di ba? We're good? Si Dodge. We're in tower 3, Lily. We're here with you. Kaninong mic yun, pare? Tangina.
Embil.
Guys, layo sa wall. Kahit towards the right side. Stay away from me. Ayan o, nag-aano lang sila, nagtutulawal lang sila. Dito tayo sa may gitna. Back dito. Sige, papasukin natin sila. Nasa atin yung positional advantage. It's okay. Yan, dito lang. Nice. Pira, atras. JD, atras. Ako si Doggy, atras. Look at us. Look at where I am positioned right now. It's okay. Okay, play here, boys. We're fine. Just play here. Gago, kaninong mic yun, pare?
Embil ata.
Okay na, nakuha na pala natin to. Okay, everyone TP to 10. Ang hirap talaga, walang scout. Wala akong info. Tangina, nakuha na pala to kanina pa. Lily, we're moving out, okay? We're tipping towards 10. Yeah, I'm here. Everyone, RG, regroup on tower 10. Tangina, play nga tayo ng PvP, pure PvP talaga. RG muna. Teka lang ha. I-mute ko muna si Embil. Ano ba yun? Ay. Okay na, tara. Follow. Paano nila nakuha yung tower 1? Follow me. Follow. Hey, ready engage here ha. Ready in 3, 2, 1, on me boys, on me. Yeah. Okay. Kapkot, hindi natin makakap to. Sige lang, dito lang muna tayo. Huwag muna masyadong habol ha. Okay, Moxie. Sige, keep killing everyone that's going to us. What the fuck are they doing, man? Sige, keep killing everyone here. Hey, everyone fall back towards the stairs. Tower 9, gotcha. Okay. It's okay. We're here near Tower 5, Lily. Ready again, ready engage soon na, ready. Keep pushing forward now. Now follow me, follow. Just walk. Keep walking towards them, walk towards them. Ready on me in 3, 2, 1 on me, boys, on me, big hook. And then fall back after. Fall back, boys. We're just trying to lure them, okay? Ready defensives, ha? We're fine. We're still fine, it's okay. Ready again. We're kiting towards the left side now. Come, follow.
Fearless,
Follow,
fearless.
boys, follow. I just feel it. It's okay. Just kite. It's okay. It's okay. Mount up. It's okay. If you died, just TP to 10. It's okay. Teka, makakap ba natin to?
10, many enemy too.
Okay. 1 sec. 9. Let's cap 9. Lily, I'm gonna try to cap 9 with my men, okay? So you can TP here. We're trying to cap 9 now. Okay, we're gonna do an engage here soon. Ready? On me in 3, 2, 1 on me. It's big, boy. It's big. Wipe them here. Wipe everyone here, boys. Wipe everyone here. Keep wiping.
Fearless.
Just play here. It's okay. We're stronger, boys. It's okay. Lily, we need help 9. Fast. We're wipe. It's okay.
Fearless.
Okay, everyone, TP to tower 10 if you died. It's okay.
May clump na sila dito.
It's okay, boys. 70 gacha, okay. Okay, if you died, just TP to tower 10.
Nag-camp sila sa 10.
Okay.
Nakapang sila sa 10.
Lily, we need to take small bases, Lily. We can't have them take all the teleport points. It's gonna be hard for us. Everyone needs to cap. Everyone needs to have a small team that rotates and try to get the teleport points, okay? We only need to focus on teleport points near tower 2 now. Okay, everyone just wait. It's okay. Nakakap sa 10. Flex, pwede kayo mauna na.
Nakuha na nila 10.
Okay, Flex, pwede kayo mauna na. Kunan nyo kami ng matitipian. Everyone regroup to everyone go to the middle tower. Everyone go towards the middle tower. Lily, we're regrouping on the middle tower. You can come and regroup if you want with us.
Okay.
We're gonna wait for you in the middle tower. Do we have eyes on the tower, boys? We can take this 5. We can take 5. I'm taking 5. I'm taking 5. Lily, we can start using 5 soon. 8 seconds. You can TP here. Okay. It's okay. No worries. Yeah, you can TP now. Everyone play 5, okay? Juggling is useless. Once we take the crown, we're fine. Okay. Everyone follow me. Back towards the tower. Back towards tower 5. Listen to me, boys. Back towards tower 5.
Is this our enemy?
Okay, yeah. Lily, we just go towards the tower fast. Tower 2 fast, okay?
Okay, we're going.
Okay. Do not cap 9 and 10. We're gonna camp these spawn areas, okay? We're gonna kill them at 9 and 10. Everyone, on me, on 9, in 3, 2, 1, on the point, boys. Just kill them. Yeah. 9 is wipe, it's okay. Kill everyone here, boys. Just keep playing here. We camp here. Keep feeding me info on the HP of the tower, ha? Just play here, boys. It's okay. Just play here. Ikakap ko to 9, ha? Para wala na silang tipian. Guys, just keep killing people here. Come back towards the tower. Come back on the tower. Come back, everyone. Fall back on the tower, please. Fall back near the tower, boys. Come, follow me now. Follow me. Flex with me. Follow me. Nako, ang dami na huli. Ready? We're counter engage soon. Ready in 3, 2, 1. On me now. On me, boys. On me. It's big. Wipe them here. Wipe them and fall back the way we came. Fall back now. Lily, we need help at 9. Fall back. We're gonna counter engage soon, okay? We just keep luring them. Ready? Counter engage again. Keep pushing forward. Ready in 3, 2, 1. No, boys. No. And eto, buong server na to, fall back. Lily, they're all at 9. Where are you, Lily? It's okay. If we 5, it's okay. TP to 5 lang, TP to 5. Wait at 5, okay? Fuck, man, ang hirap walang scout, boys. Fuck me, man. If you die, just TP to 5. Ilan HP nung ano? Tower 2? 24, it's okay. TP to 5, boys. TP to 5. Basag na? Okay, 3 seconds we go. 19 pa. That's fine. Okay, we're gonna do it again. On 9 again. Follow. It's fine. Follow. In 3, 2, 1, on me. Kill everyone here. Start falling back now. Start falling back, boys. Wag mag-overchase. Fall back, boys. Fall back. Follow me. We're cutting towards the right side. Ready. Engage again. Ready. In 3, 2, 1. Towards the right side, boys. Shallow only. And fall back again. Just keep healing and fall back. Ilan yung HP ng tower? We're kiting towards the right side again, boys. Itong kumpulan dito. Follow. Okay. Ready. Counter engage again. Ready. On me in 3, 2, 1. On me. Big, boys. It's big. And fall back the way we came. Fall back now, boys. Fall back. Don't be greedy. We got a lot of kills. Look at that, boys. Ready again. Counter engage tayo son. Kay Logic ha. Patayin yung Logic na yan. Pwede to patayin to Logic. Ready, counter engage ha. Defensives here. We're gonna soak their damage, okay? Everyone frenzy. On me. Ready. In 3, 2, 1. On that bane, boys. Okay, and fall back again, boys. We're fine. Itong Katniss. Ilan na HP? Okay. Stay here. It's fine. 13. Okay. Everyone follow. Wala na. Follow, boys. Ito, sa point. Ready, on me in 3, 2, 1. On me. Yeah. We're here. Don't worry. Sige. Play on the cup first. Para wala silang matipian. Kinakap ni Courtney. Ilan seconds, Courtney?
6.
Okay, everyone go inside. Follow me. 4. Ready. We're gonna fly in, okay? We're gonna fly in soon. Ready in 3, 2, 1. We're flying in now. Fly now. Okay. Master Horny lat. Go. Master Horny. Go. Target Master Horny, boys. Yo, Lily, Master Horny is inside. Tell Big Brother to kill Master Horny, please. Inside, let them know. Inside. Their Big Brother is here. Master Horny. We're holding him. Everyone Master Horny, boys. Sige, Master Horny lang. It's okay. Master Horny, everyone. Sige, Master Horny lang.
Makapasok yung iba.
Sige, ano na lang, ikot na lang. Master Horny lang lahat ha. Sige, may iwi yan. May iwi yung kasama niya. It's okay. Defensives here. Lily, tell Big Brother to kill Master Horny first. Please, he's still alive. It's almost down. Okay, just keep wiping them here. Master Horny pa rin lahat ha. Lily.
Tayo din, boss, pag namatay.
999. Master Horny name Lily. He's almost down. This is their Big Brother, Lily. Almost down. Okay.
Copy ako. Ay, dogon. Pantay.
Tang ina. Okay, nice.
Patay
Now
na,
follow
patay.
me, boys. Follow me. Off PvP, boys. Off PvP. Follow me. Sige, linis yung reds dito. Come. Hug the wall towards the right side. Boys. Hug the wall towards the right side. We're pushing out. Look, on this clump. Okay. Follow me. Keep following me. Patay si Fearless. Okay, following me. Keep following me, boys. Keep following me. Keep following me, keep following me. It's okay. We play here, we play here, we play here, we play here. Wala tayong papatalunin. Play here. Sige, box out tayo dito, box out tayo dito. Follow me, on me. Ready in 3, 2, 1 on me, boss. On me. It's big. Sige, suicide tayo dito. Likod natin sa may likod. Follow. Hug the wall para hindi tayo malilikuran. It's okay, let them focus on us. If they focus on us, we win. Just defensive here. It's okay. Okay, ready, counter engage, ready in 3, 2, 1, go. On me. Oh, sige lang, i-delay pa natin sila ng sobra. If we die, it's okay. Good job, boys. Good space created, boys. If you die, it's okay. Saan tayo pwede mag-TP?
Wala sa paligid, hindi na open.
Okay, everyone TP to 9. Capturing ulit tayo.
Patay ako.
Anong clan yung nakahawak ng 2 tore? Mau at Lily, do not cap ha. Don't tell your members not to cap. Okay. Only Balder, Alpha, and Asgard caps towers, Lily. Everyone TP to 9. We're gonna, Lily, tell Asgard to capture 4. Then we're gonna try to capture 5, okay? Play here, boys. 9 lang tayo, sa 9 lang tayo. Okay. Ito na buong Aesir. TP towards 9, boys. Where are you?
Papunta na. TP9, open yung 9.
TP 9, hello?
Oo, nandito na.
Everyone, we're gonna push towards 6. Lily, Aesir will capture 6. We need to capture 4, 5, 6, Lily. That's the objective. Wait. Fall back. It's okay.
Fearless.
Andito si Fearless natin. Just fall back. It's okay. If you die, just TP to 9. It's okay. If you die, just TP to 9. It's okay. Okay, regroup ulit at 9.
Dami dito.
If you die, it's okay, boys. No worries. Unlimited life, boys. Hard the group at 9. Kill the Reds here. 4, 5, 6.
Master Horny coming.
9. Hold 9, boys. Why is the rest moving, man? Hold 9. Okay, follow me now. Follow me. Tang ina, nipis natin. Follow. We're kiting towards the right side.
Wait lang.
Tang ina, Master Born.
Pa-help.
Ready? Counter engage here. In 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. It's big, boys. Kill them here. It's okay if we die. We're buying time for them. It's okay if we die. Let them focus us, boys. No problem, man. This is how we fucking play, man. This is our role. We space created, boys. It's fine. It's okay. I know. Na-take na yung 4. Lily, did anyone take 4? You should have taken 4 already. Wala pa sa atin yung 4, guys. Wala pa, Ray?
Tawag na enemy.
Lily, we need to take 4, 5, 6. The, tower 9 is fine. We don't care about 9. Tell Big Brother to take 4, 5, 6, please. Asgard, Balder, and Alpha will take 1 of each. Everything else doesn't matter right now. We need to spawn near the tower.
Wala pa
Okay.
rin, 4, 5, 6.
Oh my god, man. Like, okay, everyone,
Pero pwede na i-cap yung 4.
everyone, start walking towards 12 of
Eh, may
12
bumitaw ng
o'clock.
2. Binitawan nila yung 2.
Enemy.
Oh my God.
Putang ina, hello.
Kaya tatakbayin ko.
10, tipitan. Lily, why did they let go of 2, man? What?
Andito
Okay na?
andito yung kalaban sa 2.
Dito si Fearless.
Yung Fearless,
Andito sila sa 2.
healing, popping heal ah.
Okay, Asgard yata nag-ano ngayon. Pero may kalaban sa loob, ha?
Ang dami nila, ang dami.
Hindi kami
Lily, why
makagala.
did they let go of 2? What happened? Yeah, what happened? Oh, andito, labas kayo, wag sa loob.
Sa loob na lahat ng kalaban.
Focus muna sa 10 lahat, focus muna sa 10. Focus sa 10 lahat. Andito si Fearless. Out. Andito si Fearless.
Hindi si King sa loob. Mas King sa loob.
Okay. Kailangan natin mag-take ng ano? Flex, kayo na nga gumalaw. Kayo na mag-take ng Tori nga na malapit. Hindi pwede na sa 9 eh. Tang inang yan, yung 10. Oh my God. Tower 2, di ba mau yun?
Oo, mo yun.
Ay nako man. Tahan. Yari.
Kaya nagkakagulo dito sa loob pa.
Galaw sa 10 lahat guys. Galaw sa 10. Hindi pa pwedeng pasukin yung 10. Kailangan ba natin mag full regroup? Let me know fast.
Kailangan full regroup.
Okay, everyone towards 4. Everyone towards 4. Lakad tayo, everyone towards 4. It's okay.
Later.
Lakad papuntang 4. Okay, everyone TP to 4. Okay, and start moving towards number 6, boys. Towards number 6. Follow. Okay. Kill everyone here while I cap. Kill everyone here. Protect me while I cap. Okay, follow me. Follow me, boys. Ay, gago. May bad. Tara. Follow me. Follow.
Who the fuck take tower 10 just now? Putang ina.
It's okay, Lily. It's okay. Don't cry over spilled milk. It's okay. Lily, we're gonna camp tower 9. It's okay. There's nothing we can do about it. Camp here. Kill everyone here. They have no respawn near Lily. We're killing everyone here. Just camp 9. Just kill Dodge.
1 minute pa sa 9.
Kill Dodge. Sige. Camp here, boys. Camp here. It's okay. Spread out a bit. Okay, just play here. Ayan, ang dami, nagre-respawn, Ang dami, On the point. Focus on the point, boys.
Dito kami.
Okay, spawn camp them here, boys. Okay. Do not chase too much, tang-ina. Focus on the point. Sige. They're dying, Lily. They should collapse soon. We're killing all of their backup. Focus on the point, boys. Lily, towards 9. Towards, what is this? Towards 9, Lily. Towards 9. If you can, please. Guys, focus on the point. It's okay. We die here. It's okay. Focus on the
Master Horny,
point.
Master Horny.
Huwag kayong umabol.
Okay na, Jed. Nakuha na nila. Nakuha na ng King.
Okay. That's fine. Tang-ina, space created na naman. That's fine. Everyone, if you're alive, just TP to 4. Sino nakakuha? TP to 6, TP to 12, 12 fast.
Patay ako.
12, and run towards 4. If you get to 4, just cap it, it's okay.
Nakuha na. Kalaban.
Tang-ina, naunahan tayo sa 4. Well, just spawn 4, boys. Just spawn here, just kite here. Fight tayo dito. Spawn camp 4. Dito lang tayo. Yeah. Lily, we're camping the 4. We're camping 4 area in case they TP here, okay? I'm waiting for you guys here, ha? Number 4, guys, ha? Number 4. Lily, it's okay. We don't...
Dito na, spawning na sila.
Okay, just kill everyone here. We're killing them here. It's okay.
Guys, ang bagal na respawn nyo. Nandito lang kami lahat.
Power 4 kami, ha? Ina.
Ang bagal nyo.
Power 4! Ano dito? PvP dito. Frenzy dito. Mag-i-spawn lahat dito, guys. Mag-i-spawn lahat dito. Sige, ihuk ko lang ng ihuk. Okay. Okay, guys, sobrang laking impact nitong ginagawa natin sa legit lang. Okay, dito lang. Nice. Good job, boys. Good wipe, good wipe. Okay. Lily, we're camping them at 4. They keep tipping here, but
Daming
they
Jed,
died.
madami. Sa
It's
left
okay,
side.
it's okay. No, quite. Kite, follow me. Kite and follow me. Lily, they're gonna head towards Tower 4. Okay? They're coming from Tower 4 north side. If you get caught, it's okay. Ready, counter engage soon. Ready. Ready, are we fine? Ready lang. Kite towards the right side, kite towards the right side. Follow me, on me. We're gonna engage soon. Look at me. Ready, quick engage. Ready in 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. It's big. Just my hooks, boys. And fall back again. Fall back again, boys. Wag magbabad. Fall back again. Quick engages. That's fine. We're good. Ready, counter engage again, okay? Ready. Ready, on me in 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. It's big. Kill everyone here, boys. And fall back again now. Fall back now. Keep falling back. Good shit, boys. That's how we play, okay? Keep pushing, keep falling back. We're gonna taunt them again. We're gonna lure them again. Ready, counter engage in 4 seconds, okay? Ready again. And just fearless. Everyone mount up. It's okay, boys. It's okay. If you get left banded, that's fine. Good shit, man. Tangina. The fuck are they doing, man?
Yung logic, kinahabol kami.
Yung logic, oh.
Yung logic. Everyone, patayin to. Ina, nag-overchase, oh.
Patay na.
Ping Harris. Sige. Palag na dito. Palag dito. And fall back again. Defensives and fall back. Defensives and fall back. Fall back. It's okay. Andito si Fearless. Out na lahat. Andito si Fearless. That's fine. TP to 6 if you're alive. Good shit, boys. Tang-inang galing, boys. Tang-inang yan. The fuck, man?
Tayo titipi, boss, pag namatay.
6. 6 ata, 6.
6.
And hold 6, please.
Dami sila, boss, ah. Dami dito sa 6.
Hold 6. Wait for me. It's okay. Take over muna yung mga andyan.
Dumadami, boss, ah.
Hold lang.
Lily, they're gonna come towards 12 o'clock of the map from Tower 4, okay? Okay, TP to 6, boys.
Six. Marami sa 6.
Move. Andito na
Dami
sila.
sa 6.
Follow me. Akyat sa stairs. We're not engaging. Akyat. Kill Groot here. Wag papasok. Follow me, man. What the fuck, bro? Tangina, ginagawa nyo. Masyado kayong trigger happy. Pag moving tayo, move lang. Walang skills. Ready. Lilikoran natin. Ready. Ina, ano to? Sige, dito, malapit dito. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, it's big, boys. It's big. Just engage here. Frenzies and defensives, boys. And fall back now. Everyone fall back. Fall back, everyone. Follow me and fall back. It's fine. We're fine. Ready, counter engage soon, okay? Ready. Counter engage soon. In 3, in 2, start pushing forward. 1, on me, boys. On me. Mababaw lang. Wag masyado mag-deep and fall back again, boys. Fall back and follow me now. If you got left bend, it's fine. We're alive. We're healthy. Follow me. Keep following me, boys. Ready, counter engage again soon. Eto, ready na to. Pwede na to. Go. Clean them up. What the fuck are they doing? Just kill everyone here. Nice, good shit, my guys. And follow me now, boys. Follow me. Hug the left wall, boys. Hug the left wall. On me, boys. On me. Okay, everyone mount up. We're rotating. We're repositioning. Wait for those that are left bend. Okay, let's we're playing towards 11 now. Ready. We're on 6, Lily. Dismount here. Ready. On me in 3. Malipis lang to. Just kill everyone here. Okay. Once we clean up them up, just mount up. Okay, that's fine, Lily. Let them take middle. It doesn't matter, Lily. That's fine. That's fine. Follow me. Lily, we need to secure 4, 5, 6, okay? Only Balder, Mau, and Acer caps. 4, 5, 6 is the most important right now. Ready, engage here. On me in 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. Wipe everyone here. Okay, just keep playing here. Keep playing here. Damn. We really need them to... Okay, just... They're all here.
Wala.
Iwi. Sige. Lamang tayo. Nakaposition tayo. Iwi lang, boys. Iwi lang. Sige. If we die, it's okay. We kill so many people here, boys. So many people, man. So many people. Frenzy here. Now's the time you frenzy, boys. Just keep killing everyone here, boys. That's fine. Sige. Just keep killing everyone here, boys. Man. We're farming them, boys. We're farming them. Sige. That's fine.
Master Horny.
Okay. Just kill as many as we can right now. We're
Easy
fine,
there,
we're fine.
easy
It's
there.
okay if we get wiped.
Ko.
This is our job, boys. Tayong ally. Damn, bro. Look at this massacre, man. We all die here, okay? No one lives. If you live, you didn't play well. We all die here. Regroup tayo sa 6 ulit. Good shit, man. Tangina, good trade. Isang guild lang tayo, pre. Isang server nagre-respond sa atin. That's how we play, boys.
Oh, patay ako, boss.
Process of occupying 6. Defend 6, Lily. Someone defend 6. Damn, bro. Okay, everyone,
Tipping 6.
everyone start walking towards 4. It's fine.
Andito sila sa 6. Care.
Kabuhay nyo, start walking towards 4. Pero wag kayo sa point mismo, malayo konti. Para pagbalik ko dyan, rekta na tayo 4.
JJ, where you going, JJ? You follow?
No, Lily, don't play with me. It's okay. Can you tell all the Chinese brothers to play together? Let me do my thing. That's why we're losing. That's why we're having a hard time, Lily. Okay? That's fine, Lily. Let the Chinese brothers play on their own.
Marami sa 4.
Guys, reposition tayo sa 5.
Okay.
5.
TP to, actually, regroup to 8. Sorry. Regroup to 8. Everyone regroup to 8. Lily, are you here? Can you hear me, Lily? Okay, so this is what you need to do. Do not follow me. Tell the Chinese brothers to occupy 4 and 6. Okay? We need teleport points that's near Lily. Focus on 4, 5, 6 for now. We're gonna try and take 5, but please take 4 at the same time. So we can take both simultaneously. Okay, eto na lahat. Take 4. The most important thing right now is 4 and 6. I'm gonna take 5. Okay, everyone, follow. I'm taking 5, you take 4. Let's not go together. Ready, engage here. Ready, on me in 3, 2, 1, on me, boys. On me. I'm capping. Andyan si Fearless. Out lahat. If you died, it's okay. If you died, it's okay. If you died.
Okay, we survived.
Get a focus, number 4.
Did you take number 4, Lily?
CP number 3. Medyo number 3.
Okay, that's fine, Lily. Just continue playing on your own. Saan tayo pwede mag-TP, guys? 2? Everyone gather 2.
On the way.
Fuck yung hell, man. Ba't kasi sila sumusunod sa atin? Dapat lang, para hindi tayo mahirapan. Satos dyan, boys. Okay lang? Saan kayo naka-RG2? TP2 lahat. Okay, regroup to lang muna tayo.
Sa middle lang sila eh.
That's fine.
May scout dito.
It's okay. Okay. Then we're attacking 5 now. We're attacking 5. Come, follow, boys. Lily, where's Big Brother? Just tell Big Brother to fight at number 4, okay? Okay, okay. Then I'm going to take number 6 now. Everyone, wipe here. Wipe everyone here. Wipe everyone here. Scald cap. One scald cap, please. One scald cap. Andito si Demigado. Nakap na natin. Okay, Lily, we already got 6. Just kill Demigod here and we're rotating towards... we got 5 Lily. Just rotate towards 6 now. After Demigod, okay? Okay. Go. Towards 6. Okay, regroup on me. Sorry, nababasag regroup natin. Okay. Player. Sige. Farm the mirror, boys. Ready to back out, ha? Position towards me, boys. Near me. Okay, sige. Dito na tayo na side. Okay, farm the mirror. Sige. Lily, can Mau take number 6, Lily? Mau, can you take number 6? Lily, send someone here. Someone. Only one guy. We're already camping it. Only need Mau to come. Just one guy, please.
May Mau dito malapit si Sai. Ayan o, andito din isa.
Tell Sai to cap, Lily. He's here. Did he cap? Capping na ba si Sai?
40 seconds.
Okay. We just hold here. Ready to back out now. Huwag masyadong habol, guys. Follow. Come back. Ito na. Nag-i-spawn. To the point, boys. Focus on the point, boys. Nice. Okay. Sige. Keep farming the mirror. Sige. Nice. Sige. Just play here. Okay. What's happening in 4? Are you still fighting in 4, Lily? Okay. Then we're gonna take 6. They're tipping towards... Here, boys. AOE lang. Lily, they should not be many there on you right now. They're all here now. Guys.
Boss, si Ace.
Frenzy, we die here. It's okay. Sige. Spawn point lang. Okay. Fearless is here now, Lily. You should be able to take 4. Did you take 4? Ina, ba't hindi nila natitake yung 4, pre? Lily, Fearless is here. Why are you not able to take 4? What's the problem? They're all on me. Really? But King Fearless and his troops is on me. There's no reason for you not to win that fight. Big Brother is there. Okay, Lily, listen. Can you tell Big Brother to come with
Andito
us?
si King.
Wait. I think, ano yung TP natin, guys? 5?
Boss 5.
Okay, tell him to...
Tapos yung 3 sa 4. At may 11.
Okay, tell Big Brother to TP to 3. And one guy, Sai, Lily. So he caps.
Tayo, boss.
Okay.
Sa 5.
Everyone else just play on 4. Tayo lahat, guys. TP tayo to 3. Tell Big Bro to TP to 3, Lily. So we can cap this. Only one, Lily. Only one. Only the archer. Danani and you can play with you at 4.
$43 seconds na lang yung ano natin. Base natin yung 5. 43 na lang. 30. Dropping na yung ano.
TP to 5. Ano yung status sa loob? Wala tayong vision ng ano. Lily,
Daming tao sa
teleporting
5.
towards 5. Ready, on me in 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. Wipe them here. Wipe them. Okay. Nice. Have a bye.
Fearless sa likod.
Fearless.
Out, lat. Good spot. Walang mapatay. It's fine. Don't tip it to fire. Okay, everyone, follow me. Andyan si Fearless. Follow towards 6.
Kukunin nila yung 5, boss.
It's okay, trade. Tang ina. Hirap pag hindi nakikinig. Yung kasama natin. Okay. Clear. Someone start capping, please. Someone cap, please. Someone cap. Only one. Everyone else.
MU capping.
Sige. Everyone just play here.
Kay TP, boss.
Nandito kami
Sige.
sa Kat. Nasa 5 ka, ay 6.
Okay. Guys, wag mag-chase. What the f***? Hayaan nyo yan. Focus on the spawn point, bro. Ako napapatay dyan kay Pablo Escobar. Lahat kayo sa spawn point. Okay. Play on the spawn point. Hindi natin makap pa rin. Tangina, naabutan talaga tayo ng rotation. Ready. Follow. Follow on me. Sige, bro, dito. Forward lahat. Huwag matakot. Sagasa. Press your W while pressing skills. Sagasa. Walang maiiwan. Okay. Play around me. Look at me, boys. Look at me. Ready on me in 3, 2, 1. Engage here.
Fearless yata yung tumalon.
Okay, engage here.
Fearless.
Patay tayo lahat.
Fearless.
Out. Man. Na-let go yung 5. Man.
Hindi nakuha yung 5.
Hindi ko nakuha.
Sige, sa 5 lang lahat mo. Ang hirap, pre. Hindi ko maintindihan. Nagro-rotate sa atin yung crowd. Hindi nila matik yung kahit anong base. Ano ba yan? Andyan, may kuya naman sila dalawa. Hindi nila matik yung dalawang base. Hindi ko maintindihan, bro. Lily, where are you playing right now? Tell me. 5? Okay. Listen, boys. Listen. Everyone TP to 3. now. TP to 3. Okay, listen to me. Okay, follow me. Follow. Okay, ready here. Quick engage tayo. I'm just gonna cap, okay? Akyat kayo sa stairs. Para may clear vision. And then just play around the stairs. Don't wag masyadong malayo. Let me cap lang. Mawawala yung 5 though. Damn, fucking hell, man. What the fuck, bro? Lily, someone else needs to cap. Alis na lahat. Nandiyan na si Fearless. Alis na lahat. Lily, can you listen to me, please? Why is no one capping, Lily? It's only us, Lily. We need someone else to cap, bro.
The Chinese didn't listen.
Man, what the fuck are they doing? Everyone go to 5. Tell them to go to 5, Lily. Like, this won't end if no one listens, bro. Okay, on me. Okay, follow me. Follow. Just tell the big brother to fight at 5, Lily. Yeah. We need to take 5. I already took 4. So we can fight at 5. It's okay.
Get it too. Get
Okay, engager. Okay, just wipe the mirror. And fall back. Wag mag-chase. Fall back. Mobile tayo, pre. Tangina, we do what we do.
Fearless. Fearless.
Ayan na, out na lahat. That's fine if you die, no problem. Just TP to 2. Just TP to 2 if you die. TP to 2.
Kaya ko.
TP to 2, it's fine, no problem. Okay, lahat na namatay, wait natin dito.
Ano tayo, boss?
Fearless sa 2.
Andiyan si Fearless.
Aray
Ay,
ko.
puta.
Parang di ko nakikita si King.
Nasa labas si ano
Bigyan niyo ako ng ibang TP point.
Merong 8. Available yung 8.
Sa 438.
3. Everyone TP to 3. Walang gana yung pag ganito, hindi nakikinig. Anyway, that's fine. Lily, is Big Brother listening to you or no?
Yung crown, hindi na.
Na-drop na yung mid.
Binitawan yung 1.
Okay. Wait. It's fine. Huwag kayong magpanic. May tipihan tayo, malapit sa 1.
Ay,
Meron.
8.
take na.
8? Na-take na.
5 wala.
Okay.
Kuha sila, nag-ano sila.
Nagja-juggle sila.
Nagsha-shuffle.
4 points sila.
Okay. Listen. Okay, everyone TP to 4 daw. TP to 4. Follow me. Follow.
Nagpe-play 4 points sila. Dapat andito si King eh. Magano sila,
Follow me. Checking lang tayo. Binibait lang natin sila. Follow me. If you dismounted, that's fine. Follow me, boys. Follow me. It's okay. Follow me. Follow.
Master Horny sa likod.
That's fine. Keep luring them. Ready. Engage here on 3, in 3, 2, 1 on me, boys. On me and 3. It's big.
Ayoko.
And kite now, boys. Puro kayo skill. Sinasabi ng kite now, boys. That's fine. Sustain. That's fine. We're fine. Ready? Ready, counter engage. Come back. Ready on me in 3. Kay Master Orne, 2, 1. Go. Bitaw na lahat. Fall back. Ready defensive ways. That's fine. Tangina, nabibisi sila sa atin. This is space created. That's fine. If you died, it's okay. TP to 12 if you died. Everyone, we're heading towards 12.
May nakabantay sa 12, mga 5.
It's okay. Tara.
Yung growth na to.
It's player. Lily, where are you right now, Lily? Middle. Okay, then I will create space for you so you can continue DPSing, okay? Okay, everyone follow me. Yeah. It's okay. You keep hitting. I will create space for you so they don't go to you, okay?
Okay.
I will let them fight me always. Just let me know if it's about to die, Lily. Hanap tayo. Magpapabay tayo. Likod natin. Sige. Ito, pansinin na itong mga to. Sige, pansinin itong mga to. Nasa 4. Follow me, boys. Follow me. Follow. Start walking. Follow the road. Start walking, follow the road. Start walking lang. Start walking, start walking, start walking. Start walking, we're turning soon. We're turning, turn. Ready, counter engage, ready on me in 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. Good shit. Yeah. We're on the way to you. Follow me. Follow. Kill this guy. Okay, follow. Ready, okay? Yeah, we're here. Kill everyone here, boys. Kill everyone here. We play here. Sige. Baba tayo. Everyone baba. Baba. Sa TP point. Okay, play here. Ready to move, okay? We won't stay on one location para hindi tayo ma-respondehan agad. Okay, follow me, boys. Follow me. They're gonna respond soon. Follow me, boys. Good job, guys. Good job. Okay, everyone follow. Mount up. Lily, if no one takes an effort to cap any towers at all, then we won't be able to respond near the middle. You understand this, right? My clan won't be able to do it alone. Yeah.
Yung 6, pwede makap yung 6.
Yeah, I know, but we need to respond near, Lily. Tell them 4, 5, 6 is really important for the fight of the crown. Do not focus on taking middle tower. Follow to 6, guys. Follow to 6. Well, I don't know, man. If they're playing that way, then it's not a good play. I'm gonna take at least 1 tower for us before I go middle, okay? I'm gonna try. We cannot fight for the middle and we don't have any respawn towers near. We're gonna lose. Okay. On the tower, guys.
We cannot take. The big brother said we cannot take the 4, 5, 6 now.
I'll take it for you. Don't worry. I got 6. Why was I able to take it?
Okay na.
Follow me to 5. Look, Lily, I was able to take 6 alone.
Okay. We go. Tumila tayo na.
Okay. Can you send one guy to 5, Lily? One guy to 5. Only one, Mau. I'm gonna take 5 for you, Lily. I'm gonna take. Trust me. Only Mau. See, Lily, it's open already. Just one guy, please. Please, start capping it, Mau. On the point, boys. On the point. They're spawning here. You're farming them here.
I'm taking now, KJ.
Yeah, okay. We're guarding you. We're gonna guard you. Fearless here. Out. Lily, Big Brother needs to guard us. But that's fine. Everyone TP to 6. TP to 6. TP to 6 and fight here. Wipe them here. Wipe everyone here. Dodge chest, guys. Nice. Okay, Lily, I think this is fine since it's really hard. Just take middle tower.
Big brother said we can take so much time.
Okay, just then take middle tower then. Take middle tower, go. I'm gonna make sure we have respawn, okay? So I'm gonna stay 6 so that we don't lose this tower, okay? Just stay here. Guard tayo ng 6. Para hindi sila. Yeah, go. Just go. Hit middle tower. It's okay.
Yeah, just go middle tower.
No. You go. My team will guard tower 6 so we don't lose it and we can respawn here. Okay? Play here. Up the stairs, boys. Up the stairs, boys. Okay, ready on me. Okay, kill this reds on me. Okay, nice. And then baba. Follow me, boys. Follow me. Sa likod natin. Ready. Ready, engage here. Ready, boys. Just kill everyone here. Kill every. Sagasa.
So many enemies, DJ.
You want me to go there? We're gonna lose 6. You want me to go there? Okay. Follow. Follow me. Engage on me. Ready in 3, 2, 1 on me, boys. On me. Do not overcommit. Nauna pa kayo sa akin. Fall back the way we came. Kill the reds here. Sa likod natin. Shyvana, Sly, Storm.
DJ, plan Atlas to get with the Kawaki.
Okay. We're here in the middle. We're fighting with you in the middle. Look. Slyvana. 1 HP, boys. Okay. And follow me now. Follow me. Sa likod natin. Ready on me in 3, 2, 1. On me. Sige. I'm pretty sure we're gonna lose 6, but okay. Whatever you wish.
Oh, TP, number 6, so many enemies.
Yeah. I know. Follow me. Labas tayo. Ready on me in 3, 2, 1. Go. Kill everyone here.
Down 3 and fly to beat up.
Okay. Okay, fall back, boys. Fall back. Mount up if you can. Follow me. Follow. Andiyan pa rin si Fearless. It's okay. Follow me. If you die, that's fine. Just go to 6. Okay, disengage here. Ready on me in 3, 2, 1. Go. Engage here. Sige. Okay, wipe to. Good shit, guys, and keep pushing forward.
Fearless, nandiyan pa rin sa likod.
Okay. Keep moving forward. Follow me.
Tabi nyo na.
Oh, it's okay, guys. Tangina, hindi tayo takot mamatay, boys. TP to 3, you die. Nag-reset na yung yung timer ng death. Lamang ba tayo sa points?
Lamang tayo, boss.
2K lang, 2K.
2K.
Masyadong close. Atin dalawang tower. Hindi kasi sila nagka-cap eh. Tanginang yan ayaw makinig eh. Bali wala sa kanila yung cap. Ang tigas ng ulo. TP to 3.
DJ, TP,
Okay. We're going towards 6. If you're late, TP to 6. We're going towards 6 now. We're here.
King Fearless at 6. Pero nandun din si Yuyu saka si King eh.
Sige. Ready here. Dismount here. Ready. On me in 3, 2, 1. Look at me, boys. Look at me. Just kill them here. Wipe them here. Nice. Okay. Si Dodge. Wag buhayan. Okay, and follow me towards the right side, boys. Yeah. Middle tower. Okay. Follow me. Follow. Follow. Yeah. I see them. Patayin to, putang inan to. Okay, patayin yung mga reds dito. Okay, kill all the reds here. We're going towards the right side. Ready, boys. Ready. Towards the right side, okay? Defensive. Ready on me in 3. Meron pa ba? 2, 1 on me, boys. It's big. And fall back the way we came, boys. Fall back. It's okay. If you die, just TP to 6.
Dami tao sa likod. Sandwich eh,
Baba tayo
sandwich.
sa stairs. Group muna.
Sandwich na
Kill all the
sandwich.
reds here. Tignan nyo sa may side. Dito. On me. Laro dito, boys.
Fearless. Nandito si Fearless.
1v1
If you
kayo.
die,
Nasa stairs.
Fucking hell, ayaw ka sumahan. TP to 6 if you're dead. Tangina, isa lang tipihan natin. Napak nga ang puta. Ano ba yan?
Nakuha pa yung 6.
Ayaw makinig kasi. At sa atin yung 6, no? Alpha yung 6.
Hindi na.
Wala na 6.
3 tsaka 2 na lang, boss.
Yeah. Okay, TP3.
Nag-shuffle sila, nag-shuffle.
TP3, TP3. Wait 3, boys. Wait 3. Wait 3. Wait at 3. Okay, follow. Bugo kes tanana. Kalagot kes tanana. Yawa. Okay. Stay here. Kill everyone here. Protect me, okay? I'm capping. I'm gonna take 4. You can TP4, Lily. I took 4. Everyone out, and follow me. No point fighting there.
The next one will kill the people with the tower.
Okay.
The big brother will kill the enemy.
Okay. Okay, ready here. In 3, 2, 1 on me, boys. On me. Wipe everyone here. Good shit, guys. Good shit. Can we go up the stairs? Now. That's fine. That's enough. Look at the stairs. They're clumped here. And fall back now. Good shit. Good wipe. Fall back now. Good wipe, boys. Good job. Ready, counter engage soon, okay? Good defensives. I see that, healers. Good job. Ready. We're countering soon. On me in 3, 2, 1 on me, boys. On me. Counter. Wipe them. On the stairs. Look at the stairs, boys. Focus on the stairs, please. On the stairs, forward now. Stairs tayo, guys. Sige. Good shit. Okay. Up the stairs, boys. Do not play down. Up the stairs, guys. Go up. If you
Sa
get
likod
left behind, you
private
die.
kami, boss.
Anyone died? Follow me. We play towards the right side. Etong Ix. Kill Ix. Nice. Keep pushing. Moving forward. Do not stop, boys. Nakat yung likod natin. Ready, counter engage sa likod. Tara, ready in 3. Tara, 2, 1 on me. Okay. Nice engage, guys. And fall back now. Ito na lahat yun. Fall back. The way we came, boys. If you die, just TP to 4. It's okay. We're gonna die here.
Dami.
It's okay. Just TP to 4. It's okay. Ang dami nito, boys.
Dami.
Ilan HP ng Tore? Hindi ko makita. 54. Okay. That's fine. Stay at 4 muna.
If you dead, you can stop here.
4 is also okay. Sa atin pa 4?
Oo, boss.
Oh, boss, atin yung boss.
Sa atin ba?
Okay. Hold 4. Lily, you can TP 4. 4 is safe.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. 51, Lily. 51 bars. Okay. Follow me. Hindi na tayo magpapawipe. Stay here. It's okay. 47. Lily, it's 47. Spread out. Don't clump like this, boys. Ayan na, si Fearless. Sabi ko na eh. Out lat. Good shit. Good response, guys. Tangina, let's go. Galing. Mount up lang. Pabulin nyo. Nice one, boys. Tangina, galing. To, patayin natin itong mga reds na to, boy. Okay, follow me, boys. Follow me off PvP. Follow.
Nasa taas pa rin ng hagdan si King Fearless.
Got it. Okay, just stay here. It's fine. We're fine. 43. Okay, play near me, play near me, play near me. Follow. Labas. Labas lahat, labas. Kung naiwan kayo, sorry bro. Follow. Tara. Kita ko. We have an angle, boys. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-XP recover, ah. Follow me. Follow. Do not dismount.
Yeah, I'm doing. I want.
Okay.
So
Ready, dismount here. Just kill the reds here. Yan, tara, follow me. Okay, follow me. Dito tayo kay Big Brother tayo maglaro. Sige. Utang ina nyo. Sinusundan kami ni Fearless. Sige. Laro tayo kay Big Brother. Dito sa akin.
Okay, tatalo ng 4, nakakamp sila.
Okay, copy. Follow lang si King. Ready, counter engage tayo. Ready, sa likod natin. Ready. In 3, 2, 1, on me boys. On me. Sige, counter. Go. Kill all the reds inside of us. We need to start kiting now. Kite now. Keep kiting. On me. Follow me, boys. Wag na humabol sa kill. Wag na pag-greedy. Follow lang. Andyan si Fearless. Balik tayo. Balik. On me, ready. In 3, 2, 1. Wipe them here, boys. Frenzy and defensive. Keep pushing forward. Guys, keep pushing forward. Press your W's. Masa-sandwich tayo. Keep pushing forward. Yeah, there's so many. I know. It's okay. Just keep killing them here. Sige, skills lang. Tangina. Wipe tayo doon. Sobrang dami. Putang inang yan. Kailangan ako mapatay, pero nalalak lang ako.
Inaano nila yung 1, tawag dito. Binibitaw-bitawan nila. Dinajuggle nila.
Sige lang. 32 na lang yung madideliver to. Okay lang yan. Okay.
Patay ako.
Pag namatay kayo guys, balik dito and DPS. Understood?
Copy.
Okay, 31 na lang. Saan tayo pwede mag-TP? Nakuha na din. TP to 3, no? 3 ang TP nyo, ah.
Yun na.
Sobrang scap.
Diba? Big Brother is trying to kill enemy.
No, just tell Big Brother to kill. Don't tell him to DPS the tower. Just... Oh my god, man. Why don't they listen, bro? That's... Lily, I see Big Brother just trying to DPS the tower. That's not how we should play. He should be killing people.
Big Brother is killing enemy.
Yeah, I know. I was with him for a few minutes in the middle tower.
Walang tao dito sa 5 jet. Pwede niyo kunin.
Yeah. Kunin mo.
Many our people is dead.
Yeah, I know. You know why we die? And we cannot come back fast because we don't have 4, 5, 6, bro. But no one wants to take 4, 5, 6. Even just one, we need to take one, man. Like, holy fuck, man. TP to 2. Everyone TP to 2. Okay, go to 5. It's not impossible to get. Why can my clan get one? Like if you only like take the effort to actually get it, we're gonna get it. Like it's a no-brainer. Andito si Fearless. Out. Outlat.
我这么点的话，你跟我讲，我讲法，我虽然上的，你们人太多了。打不过，真的是太多人了，打不过。知道他。
TP ulit tayo ng 3. 3 na tayo.
可是打不过，只有2个大号，就2个人。姐姐， They asked us go to me to start.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go. We keep going there, but they just keep killing us. Everyone TP to 3. We're trying to go middle, Lily, but they just keep killing us.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, so there's nothing we can do really. Okay, just stay here, stay here, stay here. Wag nyo na kumbinsin guys, ayaw maniwala eh. Hayaan nyo na, hayaan nyo na. Tara, tara, follow, 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 follow. Follow, 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 boys. Follow, 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 follow. Ready, 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 ready. Follow me, follow me. Follow, 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 follow. Engage here. Ready in 3, 2, 1, on me, boys. On me, on me, on me. Kill everyone here. Nice one. Keep killing everyone here, boys. Killing everyone here. Kay towards the right side. Kay towards. Keep moving towards the right. Tignan nyo yung likod natin. Moving. Balik tayo sa left. Ready, ready. Ready, ready. In 3, 2. Ito lang, nasa harap natin. Ito logic, logic. Ito lang, ito lang. Mga nasa harap natin. Okay, keep pushing towards the right side. Tang-ino. Kill as many as you can. We're gonna die here, but just keep pushing right side. Push right side, boys. If you die, it's okay. If you die, it's okay. It's okay. Keep pushing right side. Keep pushing right side. Kill as many as you can. Kill as many as you can. We die here, but kill as many as you can, boys. Okay? Kill as many as you can. It's okay. Ay, maniwala eh. Ang gagawin natin sa mid. Ay, nako. Ano tayong gagawin dito, boy? Papalibutan lang tayo. Yeah, we can't do anything. We always die. Yeah, so, like, if they don't listen, bro, like, this is gonna keep happening. You don't believe my... Well, never mind. It's okay. Yeah, we're all dead. It's okay. Just TP to 3, guys. Everyone, my ace here, TP to 3. So easy to take 4, 5, 6 man. We only need to send Big Brother. That's it. We take it. No problem. But don't wanna listen. 3 lang tayo ha. Hayaan nyo. 3 lang tayo. 3 lang lahat. 3 lang. Listen to me, boys. Okay. Follow, 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 follow. Follow, 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 follow. Someone take this, someone take this. Okay, patayin lahat dito, patayin lahat dito, patayin lahat, patayin lahat, patayin lahat, patayin lahat. Na-take na, someone capping right, keep killing on the spawn on the spawn, sige, keep killing on the spawn. Sige.
Wala na Jet, na may
Bawal
kamay,
na,
hindi
bawal.
nakakap yan.
Wala na, hindi na pwedeng
putang ina
makap-boss.
mo, wala na pala yan. Tara na, out na, out na, out na, out na. Follow, follow, follow. Wala na tayong teleport point near. Hindi na natin makukuha yung ano, ubusin lang nila tayo. Follow, 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 follow. Ito na yung sinasabi ko sa kanila. Eh di pag sa crown battle, lugi tayo. Sige, kill here, kill here, kill here. Okay, kill lahat na nag-i-spawn dito. Sige. Okay, balik tayo sa kabilang spawn point. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Okay na yan, okay na yan. Follow me. Follow me man, follow me, follow me. Okay. Ready engage on the spawn Actually, let's go in. Let's do a big engage. On me. Ready? Ready on the left side, boys. On the left side. In 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me, on me, on me. Okay. Okay, kite towards the way we came. Wipe na to. Kite towards the way we came, boys. Good job, good job. Likod natin. Kung saan tayo nang galing, boys. Come. Follow. Okay, we're not dive towards the middle.
Shopping na kamay ko eh.
Ready? On me? In 3, 2, 1. Wipe here, boys. Wipe here. Wipe everyone here. Wipe everyone here. Keep pushing forward. Don't be afraid. Keep pushing forward. Keep pushing forward. Keep pushing forward, boys. Okay. Wipe this clump, boys. Nice. And fall back the way we came. Fall back the way we came, boys. Fall back the way we came.
Fearless.
The way we came. The way we came. Okay, nice. Now
Patay
follow
si
me.
Fearless.
Kite towards the right side. Ready. Ready. On me. 3, 2, 1. Go. Kill everyone here, boys. Good shit, man. This how it's done. Fall back now. Inside. Good shit, guys. Okay, follow me, boys. Follow me. Ready again. Ready on me in 3, 2, 1. Go. AoE. Okay, AoE. Keep pushing forward. Kill every reds that's inside of us. Okay? Every red. Okay, rotate. Follow. Keep following me, boys. Keep following me. Ready? On me in 3, 2, 1. AoE here, boys. AoE. Okay. Kill everyone here. Good shit. Keep killing. Sige, ayan, nahook ko.
Likod dyan, likod. Isko ba?
Eh, likod natin. Likod. Ready. On me in 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. AoE, boys. AoE. Sige. Palag tayo. Mga chocolate to, pre. Okay, ubos. Ang ina mga chocolate yung light tifa. And kahit now. Wala na yan. Wala na damage yan. Wala na papatay sa inyo. Kahit now. On me. Boys, may mga naiwan sa atin. Wait natin. Follow. Okay, wait. Sige, yung mga nadadaanan lang muna natin. Okay, fall back. Back. Kung saan tayo galing, ready. On me, in 3. Wait, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. Okay, nice. Look at the choke. Entrance. Down the stairs, boys. We push forward. Down the stairs. Sagasa lahat. Good shit, guys. Master Horn yan, dito ah. Fall back lahat. Liko, lahat. Pasok lahat. And keep following me. Okay. Play towards the crown. Sige, dito. Sige, kill mo na reds. Huwag nyo yan, mag-DPS lang. Kill reds. Okay, slow push tayo ha. Slow push. Just kill the reds in front of us, okay? Para tayong trend sa gasa, okay? Ayun, may nag-dive sa atin sa may right side. Sige, ganyan lang. Hug the walls. Balik tayo sa likod natin. Likod. Guys, keep moving. Move. Stop killing. Maiwan kayo talaga. Okay, follow. That's fine. Ready. Engage here, ha? Ready. Makapal to. Ready on me in 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. AoE. Good shit. Okay, fall back the way we came. Fall back. Fall back. Look at the left side. Ang kapal kung asan ako ngayon. Okay, just keep killing here.
Bishop dyan, sa likod.
Okay. Okay lang yan. Sustain. Hindi ba tayo mapapatay dyan? Ready turn. On me in 3, 2. Defensive now. 1. Go. AoE. Kay Escobar. Sige. Tara. Forward pa. Ito pang I'm Slay. Sige. Sagasa. Okay, forward pa guys. Wag matakot. Sige pa. Forward pa tayo. May hook ulit ako ha. Ready on me in 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. Tang ina, nangyari sa ko. Demigod nga lahat. Demigod. May iwan kayo dyan, pre. Demigod tayo. May iwan kayo dyan. Tignan nyo kung asan ako. Demigod. Sige. AoE lang. Sige. Hatak lang ng hatak mga circles. Forward lang, backs out. Madadamay sa AoE ang mga yan. Demigod lang lahat. The rest demigod. Okay. Dropping na. 1 HP. One HP, sige. Tapos likod natin. Lahat ng red sa atin, boys. Healer sustain healers. Sustain us. We cannot die from this. Mga ano lang to, mga chocolate lang to. Sige, kung saan ako nakaharap ngayon, boys. Sige.
Big
Sige.
heal cooldown, 12 ah. 12 seconds pa.
Okay. Just hold here, hold here, hold here, hold here. Hold here, hold here.
Because of 4, 5, 6.
Healing ah.
Oh, wala eh. Ayaw makinig sa atin eh. Kung asan ako ngayon, boys, makapal to. Nice.
Popping small heal.
Sige, keep pushing lang, keep pushing lang. Kung maiwan, wala tayong magagawa. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Itong tonpasan. Okay, nice. Balik tayo sa likod natin. Ready. Ready, likod natin. Ready in 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. It's a big hook, big hook, big hook.
Nasa chest yung crown. Nasa chest.
Okay, fall back. On me, on me, on me, on me. Ang ina, regroup tayo, boys. Regroup tayo. Everyone TP to 2. Actually, just start running, charging towards the crown, boys. Tara. Andyan si Fearless. Iwas kay Fearless, ha. Hintay ako sa inyo, ha. Kung namatay kayo, TP kayo sa 2. Sama tayo sa kanila, try natin. Sige, dito tayo. Clash tayo dito, tara. Mamatay na si Fearless, oh.
Ay, TTP boss.
Okay, kill Fearless. Hindi mapatay ito.
Saan tayo boss? TTP 3 pa din.
2. Wala, nag-i-spawn lang kasi sila dito eh. Ito yung mahirap eh. Sige nga, dito nga tayo mag-spawn camp tayo dito. Sige, tayo ang guard duty dito para makaklash sila. Sa loob. Nasa ano kami guys? Nasa 5 kami ngayon. Malapit sa 2. Sige, dito lang tayo maglaro pre. Sa spawning camp. Ang dami namamatay sa kanila.
Watch out kay
Sige.
kay Fearless, baka biglang TP dito.
Yun, nakuha ni Yuyu yung crown. Sige, laro lang tayo dito ha. Laro lang dito. Lahat ng reds patay natin. Nasa 5 guys ha, nasa 5.
Master Horny.
Oo, kita ko. Sige, na-box out sa Demigod. Dito tayo sa mga chupol. Focus tayo sa mga chocolate. na nag-i-spawn.
Fearless.
Sige, dito pa rin sila nag-i-spawn, oh. Okay. Okay, keep playing here. Ay, andyan na si Fearless. Alis na. Lahat tayo papunta tayo ng 6. Lahat papunta ng 6. Nawawala ako sa ayos. Yan na. Ayaw maniwala kasi. Anyway. Okay, follow me sa 6. 6 lahat. Play tayo dito. Pumatay tayo ng reds dito. Kay Dodge. Nahook ko. Si Dodge.
Tingnan on defensive sa.
Sige. Dito na tayo maglaro. Tara, pasok tayo dito. Dito. Sa may crown tayo guys, Defend natin yung crown, tara. Okay, nice wipe. Master Horny oh. Master Horny nga. Gago, wag yan. Makunat yan. Out tayo. Patay ako dito. Nalock na naman ako. TP kayo sa to pag naano kayo ah. TP sa to, TP sa to. Enjoy na lang natin to guys. Malabo ma-deliver to. Wala tayong 4, 5, 6 talaga. Mahirapan tayong bumalik. Lily, are you here? Does he understand now why 4, 5, 6 is important?
The big brother says cannot kill so many.
If he only followed me, there's no need to kill many. If only he followed me when I told him. So but anyway, it's okay. TP to 2 everyone. We need to take 4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6, but he cannot. Too many enemy there.
I will explain later. It's okay. You know it's not impossible not to take it. To be honest with you, not impossible. Ready? Follow. 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 Ignore yan. Ignore. Okay. Here. Tangina na knockdown agad ako. Follow me. Engage here ha. Ready on me in 3, 2, 1. It's big. Big hook. Fall back again. Fall back boys. Wag na greedy. Kung may mga buhay dyan, it's okay. Likod natin. The way we came. Look. The way we came. Sa stairs. It's okay. Kill everyone here. Sagasa. Kill everyone here. Kill everyone sa stairs, boys. Ba't tayo nawawipe?
Sa
Tangina.
likod, nasa sandwich tayo, boss.
Kaya nga eh. Nakatingin ako sa sandwich eh.
Yung Esaida, top ba yun? Top.
Sakit.
Hindi ko alam. Baka nga, masakit eh. We cannot go inside the crown. We're trying, Lily. If you die, just TP to 2.
Grabe ang dami natin kalaban.
Ang dami ng kalaban, no?
Oo, ganyan talaga. Pero winnable to, pre. Winnable to.
Kasi,
然后你知道他们打我什么？打不过，太多人了，打不过，这个是他的 answer。
Lily.
Yeah.
Can we all regroup to tower 2, please? Everyone in the server, please. Everyone to 2.
这一期2号集合嘛，我们全部。
Everyone go together, Lily. We cannot win if we keep on dying one by one. We have to go together. TP2.
我们全部，对，我们去。你咱们直接。
Okay. Everyone, let's wait for everyone. Everyone here. Because we're 2 split right now. We're playing 2 split. This is our last push. We have to make it count. Is the big brother here? If the big brother is here, we're gonna follow him, okay?
Wala pa.
Big brother is not following.
Okay, is this everyone?
Kulang, boss.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Follow.
Tara.
We're going towards 5. Where's Big Brother? We need to find him. Fearless yan. Alis. Where's Big Brother? We need to find him, bro. Okay, we just fight here. Just fight together. It's okay. Fight together. Push together. Okay, ready, Acer. Ready, engage. Forward pa tayo, Acer. Manipis yan. Ready pa. Okay,
Wala nang mythic yung fearless.
Tara. On me. Sige, AOE dito, AOE. Sige. Kahit towards the left side, towards the left side, towards the left side. Yun! Putang ina, ganda ng AOE na yun, oh. Pasok, pasok, pasok. Nice one, boys. Eh, yung Escobar na lahat, Escobar na lahat. Nice one, good shit, good shit, good shit. Escobar muna. Hold man dito, balik muna. Kay Escobar muna tayo lahat. Scan nyo, scan nyo, scan nyo. Mamatay na, mamamatay na. Bishop, bishop, bishop. Nice one, boys. And fall back now, fall back now, fall back now. Ayan na, parang mga ano, hindi maubos-ubos, oh. Ready again, na ready engage again, na ready in 3, 2, 1, go, go, go. On me, on me. Ewi. Sige, sige. Continuous, ano to, clash to. Sige, clash lang ng clash. Sige, hold tayo dito, hindi na tayo magpo-push forward. Hold lang dito. Hold lang, hold lang. Yung mga nasa, ano natin, pansinin natin yung mga melee na nasa, ano, gitna natin. Yan. Sige, dito tayo. Sige, palag tayo dito. Kung may frenzy kayo, frenzy na. Sige.
God. Oh my God.
Sobrang dami, boy. Hindi na ako makagalaw, oh. Putang inang yan, oh. Hindi ako namamatay pero hindi ako makagalaw. Sige lang. Mag-hook lang ako dito, ah. Sige. Kung saan ako, guys, dyan yung ano, dyan yung patama yung AOE nyo. Putang ina, ang dami, oh. Sige. Tang ina, nalikuran pa tayo, hayop. Tipi ulit, tipi ulit.
Ano sa tetano? Okay.
Tipi ulit to, tipi ulit to. Tara, tara, tara. Ano na tayo? Bahala na. Parang hindi na siya, ano, gawa lang tayo highlights, tara. Tipi to lahat tala, boys. Let's have fun, boys. GG. Let's have fun. Tipi to tayo. Yan na yan sila. Galaw tayo ng atin. Bigyan ko kayo, ano, mga 1 minute bago tayo galaw. Let's go, boys. Okay. Follow. Mount up. May mga hindi naka-mount up. Follow. Ready, dismount here on me. Ready. On me in 3, 2, 1. Go. Bigok. Putang ina, ubos. Fall back the way we came. Good shit, man. Fall back the way we came, boys. Good shit. Tang ina, isang guild ubos in 1 second. Follow me.
Si ano, Fearless sa likod natin. Ay, natatalon yung Fearless ha. Nasa likod mo, boss Carbine.
Disperse. Sige. Wala, hayaan nyo.
Ikaw target, boss. Ikaw.
Oh, sige lang. Okay. TP to 3. TP3. Guys, wag kayo gagalaw. Hindi pa ako gumagalaw, oh.
Thinking about
Gumagalaw
a
na
new
kayo.
career,
Don't be sheep.
but unsure where to start?
Don't be sheep.
Skip the
Follow me.
guesswork with Career Accelerators.
Nahabol ka, boss.
Follow. That's fine. Take the long way.
Hindi, marami na talagang scout.
Ready.
Marami na talagang
Engage tayo
scout,
dito,
man.
ah. Out agad tayo, ah. Babaw lang.
Akin.
Ready.
Sa loob.
Tang ina, sobrang ano. Back. Labas lahat, labas lang. It's okay. Ready, out up the stairs, ready. Check nyo up the stairs, ready. Engage now, ready in 3, 2, 1 on the choke, boys. On the choke. They're so clump. They're so clump, boys. Wipe them now. Wipe them now. Putang ina, ganyan maglaro. Okay, fall back now. Fall back. Down the stairs. Down the stairs. Down the stairs. I'm just fearless. Down the stairs. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Out na, out na, out na, out na. Everyone, TP again to 3. TP again to 3. Go, go, go. Good shit. Good wipe. Good wipe, boys. Stay here, stay here, stay, boys. Tangina, ba't kayo nagpo-forward? Wag, ano? Don't be sheep, man. Wag follow ng follow kung saan yung ano, marami. Wait natin yung mga namatay. Let's go again. Good shit, good engage. Okay, ready. Follow. Ito na lahat. Para manipis pa. Wait a few more seconds. Galaw. Jom, stop chatting. Jom, it's okay. Follow.
Dismount, wait lang.
Okay, follow. Follow, back. Bait natin. Susunod yan. Trust me. Bait natin. Sige. Stay on the stairs, ha. Stay. Stay. Tignan natin kung susunod. Wala, hindi sumunod. Hindi natin mabait. Down the stairs na lang. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Down the stairs. Sige, patayin na lahat ng reds. Okay, play here. Look at the stairs now. Look at the stairs, boys. Face the stairs. Tangina, pinapatay nyo pa yung isa. Wala na yan. Walang ano yan. Walang kwenta yan. Lily. Ah, wala na pala. Never mind. It's okay. Follow me. Follow. Ayun na, back. Binibait lang natin. Iti-take natin sila sa choke, ha. Nah, it's totally winnable, but that's fine. No problem. Okay, follow. Ayaw nila magpabait, pre. Tara nga, engage mababaw, tapos out agad, ah. Left side. Dismount na kayo. Left side. Follow me. Ready on me in 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. Out na agad. After. Out na. Puta, si Fearless talaga. Out na. TP ulit ng 2. Everyone, TP2.
Naglalag.
Yeah, I know. That's why we didn't really have to DPS the middle tower. We had 2 towers really. If we were behind points, we could have just juggled. We didn't need to take it to the crown. So there was no point in destroying middle tower at all, but they won't believe me, so. But that's fine, it's okay. Yeah. It's obvious. It's numbers game, but for me, it's totally winnable. It was winnable. Even if we were outnumbered, it's okay. Like it was winnable at all. It's not as if like it's not impossible to win. We only had to play it correctly, but that's fine. I know. The only way to get it was if Big Brother was with the Force. Because only Fearless will wipe everyone, right? And Big Brother can King Fearless. Everyone else is trash. They don't matter. So, like, it's totally winnable at all. Like, it's not impossible to get Lily. You know why? Because my clan, no mythic can get it. Why can we get it? Right? So you only have to play correctly to get it. So it's not impossible to get. Really. Just have to play it correctly. But anyway, my team will just gonna have fun, okay, for the rest of the duration of the match. GG. Let's go. Follow me, boys. Follow me.
Locally with multivitamins A, B, C, D, and
Farm
E.
kills, boys. Farm kills.
daily vitamins.
Gago, wag nyo trash to kayo, pre.
Okay. Kill the reds here.
Bigay nyo sa isang bishop dapat eh.
Okay. Follow me.
Gitna lang. Okay, alis sa gitna. Yung ina mo, ubos. Yun, nice one. Mga
Sige,
HP
killan
build
tayo
buhay
dito.
oh.
Hindi tayo papasok, pre. Ibebait natin sila. Sobrang dami dyan. Ano yan? Death sentence.
May nag-RG
Dito
sa
lang,
5
ready to
oh.
fall
May
back,
nag-RG sa 5 daw,
Ready
pre.
tumble fall back, ready when I say so.
May nag-RG
Ready,
sa 5
ready. Go down. Go down, boys. Go down.
Putang ina.
Ayan na, out na. Andiyan na si Fearless. Out na. Follow me, TP2 ulit.
10 minutes, pre. 10 minutes. 5 minutes, medyo sure na yan, pero wag pa rin kayo pakampante. Okay, thank you, Boss Barcode. Maraming salamat.
Follow.
Oh my God.
Andito na lahat. Wait natin yung mga
Bukas
namatay.
daw
Wait.
Ako rin eh.
Okay, follow.
Nice draw. Lamang kami sa
Follow,
points,
follow.
so may... lamang ba kami? Lamang kami, so alam ko kami madedeclare dyan eh. 4 lang kayo ha. Galing sila sa 2 lagi tiga mo, nabago. Number 2 na yung...
Okay, follow. Okay, farm na tayo ng kills dito. Re-respondehan lang tayo ni Fearless sa likod, pre. Farm na ng kills dito. Sasabihin ko pag natitipi na si Fearless ha. Sige, farm lang tayo ng kills dito. Ready to kite kung saan ako pupunta. Tignan nyo kung asan ako. Dito tayo magka-kite, okay? Wag masyadong... Pwede nyo i-over the wall yan, archers. Pwede nyo over the wall yan. Sige, tira over the wall. Sige, tira. Pwede nyo tirahin over the wall yan. Usog sa may right. Kung asan ako ngayon. Move here. Sige, over the wall tayo dito. Nasa baba na? Out na.
Doon sa baba si Fearless oh. Nasa baba ah.
Oo, kita ko. Kita nyo ha, tignan nyo ha. Wala. Gagawin natin bata yan. Sunod ka muna dito, boy. Tara. Out. Tipilat ng 3. Dito lang. Okay, listen. Follow, boys. Follow. Sige, kill to. Sige, farm the kills here. Akyat dito, akyat konti. Over the wall dito. Dito tayo mag-clash kung asan ako ngayon. Andiyan si Fearless. Ayan na.